Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Today, we have a pressing topic to discuss: effects of pollution. So, let's dive right in. Effects of pollution and ways to reduce pollution. All types of pollution damage our environment and cause harm to the life of organisms. Some effects of different types of pollution are described below. Effects of air pollution. Effects of water pollution. Effects of land pollution. Effects of air pollution. Air pollution causes the diseases of eyes, skin, throat, lungs and heart. It causes breathing difficulties, asthma, bronchitis and even lung cancer. In plants, air pollution slows down the process of photosynthesis and reduces the growth of plants. The outer layer of leaf is damaged due to air pollution. Acid rain. Acid rain air pollutants like oxides of nitrogen and sulfur dissolve in rainwater and make it acidic. This is called acid rain. Effects of acid rain. Acid rain damages the buildings, trees and monuments. It is also harmful for the organisms that live in water. Greenhouse effect. Some gases such as carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide released in the air due to burning of fossil fuels trap heat energy coming from the sun. These heat-trapping gases are called greenhouse gases, and this process is called greenhouse effect. Global warming. Greenhouse effect causes an increase in the atmospheric temperature. This increase in atmospheric temperature is called global warming. Global warming causes the ice and glaciers to melt and sea level increases. This increase in water level causes floods. CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, released from refrigerators and air conditioners, rise into the environment and cause damage to ozone layer. Effects of water pollution. Polluted water cause a number of diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, cholera and dysentery, etc. Polluted water from industries contains poisonous metals such as mercury and lead. These metals cause serious diseases of skin, kidneys and brain. Algae and bacteria causes decrease in oxygen in water, due to which the fish and other aquatic life do not get enough oxygen and they die. Oil spills from the ships causes death of many sea animals. Effects of land pollution. The chemicals sprayed on the crops seep into the groundwater and make it poisonous. These chemicals also cause soil erosion and infertility of soil. Toxic chemicals and bacteria from the garbage and other solid wastes wash out into water bodies with rain and cause harm to organisms found in water. Ways to reduce pollution. We should not throw garbage at open places, instead it should be disposed properly. Sewage water should not be added into rivers and lakes. Factories and industries should be moved away from the cities or residential areas. Industrial wastes should be treated properly in waste treatment plants before releasing out into the atmosphere. We should use public transport instead of personal cars to reduce air pollution. We should plant more trees and reduce deforestation. It is because trees reduce air pollution. We should make less use of fossil fuels. Alternatives of fossil fuels should be used. Thank you for watching, and until next time, let's be the change we wish to see in the world.